Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a quick one. I just want to share with you guys what I actually got for Christmas. I know you guys saw my video on my Christmas wish list, and I highly recommend, for those of you with significant others or spouses, highly recommend, if you can, making a visual wish list is fantastically helpful for them. So let's get into it. The first thing that I got, this is a gift card to Macy's. My husband knows I love to shop, and I get a lot of random things from Macy's, whether it's makeup, fragrances, sometimes clothes, whatever I feel like, whatever I find and see on sale. I get a lot of things from Macy's, so this is gonna come in handy. He got the fuzzy socks that I asked for. This is a 5-pack, and he said he found these at Target. So I love all the colors, and I love to wear things around like this around the house in the fall and winter because my feet be freezing. Next up, you guys, this box is Burberry Goddess, and I am too excited about this one. Like, I don't know if I was the most excited about this gift, but I was super excited to get this. So I think this is probably the 1-ounce bottle plus a travel spray. So I'm still finishing up my first travel spray, but I absolutely love this fragrance. I layer it with the EOS vanilla cashmere lotion, any vanilla fragrance mist, so like Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla or Bath and Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel, and the Nest Madagascar Vanilla Body Oil. When I tell you, you will be smelling good all day. There's been times where I've had this combination on and it's on my sweater like a week later or even after I wash it. So that layering for this is amazing, amazing. So I absolutely love Burberry Goddess, but it has to be the Burberry Goddess original. I don't like the Intense, you guys. That one has way too much of the lavender note in it, and I'm a vanilla lavender kind of girl, but way too much. And then my husband also got me some shoes. I did not ask for these, but I was super excited, and I think it's super cute because we both got each other this style of shoe without knowing that the other was getting us a pair. But he picked me up some Nike Dunks, and this color I believe is called, this color is called Rose Whisper, and so it's like a nice muted pink. But I have a lot of outfits, shirts, even a few bags that this will match. So super excited to have these in my collection. I cannot wait to wear them. They are so cute. And for him, I got him the pandas. So I already have a pair of pandas, and so now he has a pair too. Ooh, we can match. So yeah, super cute. I love these. And I'm just gonna move that over to the side. Now this next item right here, you guys, I absolutely started screaming when I opened it up because I really and truly wanted this bag. So this is the Dooney Florentine Barrel Satchel in the color Chestnut, and y'all know that I have already hauled a wallet to go with this. I absolutely love this bag, you guys. It is gorgeous. Like Sus Wood said, I am definitely in my brown bag era, and Coach recently put out a large Rowan in the maple color, but that large Rowan is not floating my boat because it has silver hardware, and I just do not like that chocolate brown leather with silver hardware. So I'm so glad that my husband was able to get his hands on this one, because honestly, you guys, I kept stalking the site, and I made myself stay off of I Love Dooney. I made myself not add anything to cart, and I'm so glad that he got it, because I'm telling you, I watched this sell out and come back in stock several times. And even though I don't like the Coach maple color with the silver hardware, I did go ahead and pick up the wallet, and I hope it's coming up to true to color on camera. But this is a deep chocolate brown, so as you can see, it's almost kind of like looking at dark chocolate with milk chocolate. Let me bring it a little bit closer so you guys can see that color difference together, but still is beautiful. And I also went ahead and added this to my collection because I really wanted a dark brown wallet. I don't have one in my collection currently. And then I also picked up the matching card case. And what also made me get this matching card case, I have another bag from the horse that I haven't shared with you guys, but I'm going to do an update video very soon. So I got this card case actually to go with that. But if I wanted to, I could also carry it with this Barrel Florentine satchel as well. I think that's still beautiful together, even though it's not an exact match. Still lovely. So that's the first bag that hubby picked up for me. And I'm just beyond excited because I was watching those Dooney sales like a hawk, you guys, but I really had to be disciplined. And this is the second bag that hubby picked up for me for Christmas. This is the Dooney Bailey in the black Saffiano leather. I love me some Saffiano leather, you guys. I have other Saffiano bags that I had before I started YouTube that I absolutely wore into the ground. I mean, when I say I wore them out, I wore them out. And I know that this bag is going to be a good go-to and definitely a workhorse for travel and for work. And I can see why so many of you guys have gravitated towards this bag because it's just beautiful. I love the braided handles on here. I love these tassels on the side. And I just love how clean and polished this bag looks. And I love the dark brown T. Morrow handles. And I think this would even go really nice with this bag as well. So I'm so glad that I stayed off the I Love Dooney website. I watched this bag sell out too. Yes, it did. It sold out. And I was in my feelings, but hubby had my back and he got me this for Christmas. So I was so excited when I opened both of these bags, and I cannot wait to carry them in 2025. And then if you guys are watching the Coach Outlet website right now, they dropped a large Laurel bag in maple with gold hardware. Coach finally got it right for me with that maple color. So stay tuned because that should be on the way for me now. And that is everything that I got for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one.